Hello everyone, this is Ali from 2 Coding, and in this video I'm going to be attempting a challenge of which I have to code without a mouse, trackpad, or anything similar to that. This is going to be extremely tough, so make sure to stick around to the end so you don't miss anything. So to start things off, I'm going to have to remove my mouse so I don't go to my instinct. Alright, now I have to figure out a way to open my Visual Studio Code.
2,000 years later.
So after doing some research, I realized that Mac has a feature called Head Pointer. So if I on it with this button here, you can see that the cursor will go with the movements of my head. So now I'd spend a decade trying to figure out how to become good at moving my head, because this is my first time moving it, so that I can get to my Visual Studio Code icon in my dock. Okay, so I have my pointer on the Visual Studio Code, but there is no way for me to click on it right now. So I'm just gonna off it quickly before my head falls off. And I'm gonna have to move on to plan B, which is Spotlight Search. So if I do Command Space, I can search for whatever app I want. So let's search Visual Studio Code, and I can use my arrow keys to select what I want. So I'll click enter, and step 1 is done. Now step 2, creating a folder so we can actually start coding. So to open or choose a folder, I'll click Command O. So Command O, and I use my arrow keys to select to random. Now I click enter, and now I need to create my index.html or coding file in this case. So I'll do Command N, which will create an untitled file. So if I go ahead and save it, so I'll just do Command S, it's asking me to name it. So I'll now save it as index.html. And if I click enter, I have it as index.html. Now I can actually start coding. So I'll start off with the basic HTML boilerplate. I'm going to get rid of that. And on my body, I'll just go ahead and create a header 1 for now. And I'll just put the text, hello world. Now the last thing we want to do with this is seeing our code. So to run our code, I need to do function F5. Let's select Chrome, and there we have it, our hello world. Now if you'd like to see me trying to code a website like this, or a part 2, make sure to check out some of my other videos, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss the next epic video.